You guys, right now we are going through a windstorm. See that? We're going through a windstorm right now, and the wind is blowing so hard. But I want to show you guys what it looks like in my greenhouse with the wind. And these are my big evergreens. They're leaning all over. They're really swaying, guys. Guys, now I'm in my greenhouse. I'm in my greenhouse. So a lot of times I had said that this greenhouse, it was bigger, but not necessarily better. But it is holding up, and it is doing everything that it's supposed to do. And even though this is plexiglass and we put silicone on it and everything to keep it nice, it's doing what it's supposed to do. And I am very excited about it. It's doing everything. Nothing has blown away, and nothing is moving. You can see the wind blowing outside, but inside, guys, I think it's a pretty good greenhouse. All right, bye-bye. Blowing outside, nice and stable inside. You guys, can you hear that wind? And this is what makes when California has fires, this is what makes it so bad. Maybe you guys can hear it now. And my umbrella just fell down, so I have to go get that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right over that mountain, that's a dust storm. Looks so foggy, but that's dust from this windstorm that we're having.